Okay, so yeah, we'll get started on Coke machine. So we need to change. Nope. Yeah, we need to change directory to pset_2, and then we need to go to. We need to make a dir called Coke, and we need to code coke.py. Correct. Yes. Okay, now. Now, what do we need to do? Okay, so we need to set bottles of Coke. So we have 3 denominations. So that would be a list of 3 coin values. I can't spell denominations of 0.25, 0.10, 0.05. So we need that list that prompts the user to insert a coin. So we need prompt to insert coin. Prompt to insert coin. Coin value. User coin value minus 0.50 then prompt for another coin if there is any amount left out of the 50 cents. This is a weird way of typing all this. If coin like prompt the user for a coin. Minus coin value from 50 cents. If from value of the Coke. If value of the Coke has not been reached or exceeded, prompt for another coin. If value of Coke is equal to or greater value of current customer total is equal to Coke value exit. is equal to Coke value. Print changed, change. Is equal to or greater than Coke value print change owed. Okay. Right, and so down here we have a hint. Be careful to print the prompts and responses exactly as shown above. If your program prints any extra text, it may fail the check 50. Oh, okay. There is no other hints. Okay, so we need a user coin, which is going to be an input. Which is going to be an input of insert coin. Now we only want the user to be inputting one of those 3 coins. And how are they inputting it? As whole numbers. So we don't want them to input any floats or anything, so it needs to be an integer. Then we have an amount due, which is equal to 50. So then, as we learned, it's a while amount due is greater than 0. We just want it to print the amount due. Print amount due, colon, space, colon, and then amount due. Right? And then we need to okay. And then we need to make sure that if user coin in a list of 25, 10, 5, we want amount due minus equal the user coin. And on top of all that, right? Right, and then we need something to deal with the change. So we have another change ode, which is going to be equal to what? Yeah, change ode is just going to be equal to amount due no. Well, yeah, we want it to go back and forth. Right? And then okay. So then let's have a look here. Python coke.py insert coin 25. Oh. Okay. That's an infinite loop. Did it do anything that I want correctly? It does not appear that it did anything. Okay, so we fucked this up. So if the user coin is there, let's, because that should work now. It did not prompt me for a second time. Okay. I just set the user coin once, but it didn't move it through. So in order to move it through, this is a global variable, and it just went, oh, bam, 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 bam. Okay, so we don't want it to go bam, 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 bam. We want it to go bam once. We want it to go bam once. And if we do that, put this into here, right? So now we have, while the amount is due, while the amount due is greater than 0, print the amount due, which is equal to amount due. Okay, so right now, while it's greater than 0, it's going to print 50. We're inserting a coin saying whatever amount. Then if the user coin is in this list, we're going to say that amount due is now equal to negative user coin. So then it's going to check again for it to be negative, for it to be 50, and then it's going to find that it isn't, and then it's just going to keep going back and forth. Okay, so let's... How is it finding... Oh... Boo earns. Yes, please move into there. Alright, so now we gotta change this again. Oh, CD, Coke, Python, Coke.py. Amount due 50. So if this is correct, it's gonna see. So right now we're at this spot, right? Because it is here, and then it goes amount due is greater than 0, so the amount, so print this amount due, and then prompt us for a user coin. And now if the coin is in this list, the amount due will be minus, and then it'll come back up. Asking me for another coin, and if I put in 10, it'll do that. And then if I put in 10 again, and then if I put in 5, it should kick me out. Yep, change owed 0. Okay, so now when we go back into it, we go 25 plus 10 plus 10 plus 25. We should get a return of 20. Negative 20. We don't want negative 20. Built-in string types. Okay, back to the top of the built-in string types. String methods. Case. Did I miss something? Okay. So let's see here. Capitalize. Center, count, encode, ends with, expands tabs, find, format. Was there anything here? Only put in integers. Ignore. Yeah. Okay. Prints now F formatting. Numeric types. List tuple range. We haven't talked about that yet. Well, we're dealing with a numeric type, so let's have a look here. Operation, absolute value or magnitude. We're not converting, we're not floating points, we're not doing a complex number. No. Div mod, no. X to the power y. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Absolute value, what's this? Return the absolute value of If the argument is a complex number, the magnitude is returned. I don't know the fucking math. What the fuck? Oh, this is helpful. We can't do negative. We can't do like multiply by -1 because well, actually, why can't we do -1? Like, right? Because it's always going to come out the way that we want, right? So we do 25, 10, 10, 25. Comes out 20 with an extra space. Why is it coming out with an extra space? What if we do that? Oh, that didn't work. Change road is equal to amount due times -1. Uh, 10, 10, 25. Already putting a space in front of it, so we don't need that. I'm lazy. I'm getting tired. We're gonna put in a coin called 45. Okay, that looks much better. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We'll hit the clear. Okay, what? What does this all mean? Oh, nope. Okay, what is... Okay, return the absolute value of this argument may be an integer. Okay, so... Okay, so if it's an... return the absolute value of a number. The argument may be an integer. So right now it's saying if you type in ABS and you give it a negative number, it's going to come back as a positive. You put in ABS 0, 0 is going to come back as a 0. It's always going to return a positive number. I don't know what 2J means, but it's coming back to this. This is absolute. This looks like hex, hexadecimal, binary. And such a hex to decimal conversion table. Okay. The OX is just a common prefix for conventions for base 16 representation of numbers, since people think in decimal. And what would be the 4th byte, since they are saying offset, they probably count the first byte as 0. So offset 0x4 would be the 5th byte. I guess they're saying that the 4th and 5th byte together would be what? Okay. Okay, whatever. I got the answer. Fuck it. I think. I don't even know if I did a check 50 on the previous video. Let's see what happens. I'm worried about this -1, but everything else seemed to be fine. Oh, no, everything's wrong. Did not find amount due 25 in amount due. Coke accepts 25 cents, accepts 10 cents. Coke did not provide a rate change. Oh, I fucking misspelled changed owed. And it even mentioned printing prompts response to your program. Okay, well, let's clear, and we'll try a check 50 again, because one change owed was spelled incorrectly, as the usual. Terminates at 50 cents. More detailed results. Okay, let's go. Let's go Coke. Python Coke.py. And say 10 cents. It's coming back with that extra space. Okay. Okay, why is it coming back with an extra space? It's all in here. Look, let's just say fuck it and we cut this and we start using F strings. And now let's see what happens. Cancel, interrupt that. Insert coin. 10. No, it's still got an extra space there. Okay. Well. Okay. Control C will cancel anything that's going up. It's really annoying because you're so used to I'm in the wrong fucking thing. Fuck. Like, how many spaces do I got here? I just got the one. Okay. Because, yeah, there's too many spaces here. Right? But the coin was doing fine. Fuck me. Uh, 25. 25. 10. Okay, let's... Let's do another check 50. Let's see if we've got this now. Waiting for results. If this is it, I'm just going to be... Oh my god. I will be annoyed with myself, but it is the process of learning the little things that make everything difficult. This doesn't seem right. This is taking forever. Wow. Oh. Oh my goodness, that took forever. Okay. It accepts that, accepts invalid, rejects invalid amounts, terminates at 50 cents, and provides the correct change. Okay. There we go. That's this guy done.